Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Genetic testing for optimal eating habits has revolutionized how we approach nutrition and healthy eating. By delving into our unique genetic makeup, we can uncover valuable insights that guide us toward making informed choices about our diet and lifestyle. In this video, we will explore the significance of genetic testing in determining optimal eating habits, shed light on how genetics influence individual nutrition requirements, and embark on an engaging discussion on healthy eating based on genetic insights. Genetic testing is crucial in understanding how our bodies respond to different foods and nutrients. It provides personalized information to help us tailor our diet to meet our needs and goals. By analyzing our genetic markers, we can uncover predispositions to particular health conditions, nutrient deficiencies, and sensitivities that may impact our overall well-being. This knowledge empowers us to make proactive decisions that support our health and vitality. Our genetics play a significant role in shaping our nutritional requirements. Each of us has a unique genetic blueprint that influences how our bodies metabolize food, absorb nutrients, and respond to dietary components. Factors such as our genetic variations, gene expression, and metabolic pathways all contribute to our individual nutritional needs. Understanding these genetic factors can optimize our eating habits to promote better health outcomes and prevent potential health issues. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. As we delve deeper into the realm of genetic testing for optimal eating habits, we will explore how genetic insights can guide us toward making smarter food choices, creating personalized meal plans, and achieving our wellness goals. By leveraging the power of genetics, we can unlock a deeper understanding of our bodies and cultivate a healthier relationship with food. Join us as we navigate the intersection of genetics and nutrition to pave the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. Genetic testing is a powerful tool that allows us to uncover valuable insights into our genetic makeup and how it influences our health and well-being, particularly in personalized nutrition. By analyzing our DNA, genetic testing can reveal genetic predispositions related to food, nutrient metabolism, and overall dietary requirements. This section will delve into genetic testing and its relevance to personalized nutrition. We will explore the different types of genetic tests available and how they can empower individuals to make informed dietary choices. Genetic testing involves analyzing an individual's DNA to identify genetic variations that may impact their health and wellness. In personalized nutrition, genetic testing is crucial in determining genetic predispositions related to food sensitivities, nutrient deficiencies, and metabolic pathways. By uncovering these genetic insights, individuals can better understand how their bodies respond to different foods and nutrients, allowing them to tailor their diet to meet their unique needs. Several types of genetic tests are available for assessing nutritional needs, each offering valuable information that can guide individuals toward making informed dietary choices. Genetic tests can determine genetic variations related to nutrient metabolism, such as how efficiently the body processes specific vitamins and minerals. They can also identify genetic predispositions to food intolerances or sensitivities, helping individuals avoid foods that may trigger adverse reactions. By leveraging the insights provided by genetic testing, individuals can make more informed dietary choices that align with their genetic profile and health goals. Armed with personalized information about their genetic predispositions, individuals can optimize their eating habits to support their overall health and well-being. Genetic testing empowers individuals to take a proactive approach to nutrition, making choices tailored to their unique genetic makeup and promoting optimal health outcomes. Genetic testing is a powerful tool in guiding individuals toward optimal eating habits by providing personalized insights into how genetic factors influence metabolism, nutrient absorption, and overall nutritional needs. Examining our genetic makeup can uncover valuable information that shapes our dietary choices and helps us create personalized meal plans that support our health and well-being. In this section, we will explore how genetic testing can guide individuals toward optimal eating habits, provide examples of how genetic testing results can shape personalized meal plans, and emphasize the importance of aligning diet with genetic predispositions for overall health. Our genetic factors significantly influence metabolism and nutrient absorption, impacting how our bodies process and utilize food. Genetic variations can affect how efficiently we metabolize certain nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and micronutrients, leading to individualized nutritional requirements. By understanding these genetic influences, individuals can tailor their diet to optimize nutrient absorption and support their metabolic functions, ultimately promoting better overall health. Genetic testing results can provide valuable insights that shape personalized meal plans tailored to an individual's genetic profile. For example, genetic tests may reveal predispositions to specific nutrient deficiencies, food intolerances, or metabolic conditions, guiding individuals toward foods that support their needs. By incorporating these genetic insights into meal planning, individuals can create balanced, nutrient-dense diets that address their unique genetic requirements and promote optimal health outcomes. Aligning diet with genetic predispositions is crucial for overall health and well-being. By understanding how our genetic makeup influences our nutritional needs, individuals can make informed dietary choices that support their genetic profile and promote long-term health. By embracing personalized nutrition based on genetic insights, individuals can optimize their eating habits, enhance their overall well-being, and cultivate a healthier relationship with food. Genetic testing empowers individuals to take control of their health through personalized nutrition strategies tailored to their unique genetic blueprint. Genetic-based nutritional recommendations offer valuable insights into how genetic variations influence specific nutrient requirements, food sensitivities, and overall health outcomes. In this section, we will present the connection between genetic variations and specific nutrient requirements, discuss the role of genetic testing in identifying food sensitivities and intolerances, and provide tips on optimizing nutrient intake based on genetic insights. Genetic variations are crucial in determining our specific nutrient requirements, as different genetic profiles can impact how our bodies metabolize and utilize nutrients. By analyzing genetic markers related to nutrient metabolism, individuals can uncover predispositions to specific nutrient deficiencies or inefficiencies, guiding them toward foods that support their unique genetic needs. Genetic testing is vital in identifying food sensitivities and intolerances by uncovering genetic predispositions that may contribute to adverse reactions to certain foods. Individuals can pinpoint potential triggers by analyzing genetic markers associated with food sensitivities and make informed decisions about which foods to include or avoid in their diet. Genetic testing provides valuable information that empowers individuals to manage food sensitivities effectively and optimize their dietary choices for improved health outcomes. To optimize nutrient intake based on genetic insights, individuals can incorporate personalized strategies into their diet that align with their genetic profile. This may include focusing on nutrient-dense foods that support specific genetic needs, adjusting macronutrient ratios based on metabolic factors, and incorporating supplements to address potential deficiencies identified through genetic testing. By leveraging genetic insights to tailor their nutritional intake, individuals can optimize their diet for improved health and well-being, ultimately supporting their genetic predispositions and promoting long-term wellness. The intersection of genetic testing and healthy eating practices offers a groundbreaking approach to optimizing nutrition and promoting overall well-being. By tailoring diet plans to individual genetic profiles, individuals can better understand how their bodies respond to food, leading to more personalized and effective dietary choices. In this section, we will highlight the benefits of tailoring diet plans to individual genetic profiles, discuss the potential impact of genetic testing on weight management and chronic disease prevention, and encourage viewers to consider genetic testing a valuable tool for enhancing their dietary choices. Tailoring diet plans to individual genetic profiles provides numerous benefits that can significantly impact overall health and wellness. Individuals can create personalized meal plans that support their unique genetic makeup by understanding how genetic variations influence nutrient metabolism, food sensitivities, and dietary requirements. This customized approach to nutrition can lead to improved nutrient absorption, better energy levels, and enhanced overall health outcomes, ultimately empowering individuals to make informed choices that align with their genetic needs. Genetic testing can revolutionize weight management and chronic disease prevention by uncovering genetic predispositions that may impact these areas. By analyzing genetic markers related to metabolism, appetite regulation, and nutrient processing, individuals can gain insights into factors influencing weight management and chronic disease risk. With this knowledge, individuals can make targeted dietary changes that support healthy weight management and reduce the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. We encourage viewers to consider genetic testing a valuable tool for enhancing their dietary choices and promoting optimal health outcomes. By embracing genetic insights and incorporating them into their approach to healthy eating, individuals can take proactive steps towards improving their nutrition, managing their weight, and preventing chronic diseases. To further engage with genetic testing and healthy eating practices, we invite viewers to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier and more informed approach to eating habits.